Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and good day to all of you. Today I would like to share an application that can be used in our blended learning. So the app's name is called Teamviewer Meeting. The Teamviewer Meeting is a platform or device that allow us to remotely access and control the desktop of your computer and server from anywhere. So besides to control our computer or other device remotely, it can be also used for web conferencing or web meeting. So now let's discuss the advantages of the Teamviewer Meeting. Firstly, it is easy to use even with a distance from one laptop to another laptop. The second advantage is it can switch on and off remotely. The third advantage is it can be uploaded data in a PC with very easy way. And finally, the advantages of using the Teamviewer Meeting, it enables someone or us to contain the filter or to use the filter video call that user can communicate using a camera. Let's discuss disadvantages of Teamviewer Meeting. The first disadvantages, these apps or this software might be very slow to load, especially in the case or in the event where the internet is very slow. Then the second disadvantages, this application is not secure, especially when the other participant have our PIN or our access number. Then the third disadvantages, one cannot differentiate either the participant is the student or the lecturer. And finally, the free version only support up to 5 users only. Let's discuss how to use the Teamviewer Meeting. The first step is download the application of Teamviewer Meeting from the internet. Then sign up the application. For meeting, the presenter need to share the meeting code given to the members. Members need to enter the meeting code and the joining meeting. Open PowerPoint, put into the presentation mode. At this point, your members will probably see all your screen. If you want them to only see the PowerPoint, then hover the screen sharing window of your meeting and you will get a menu. Click the menu and select the PowerPoint. The Teamviewer Meeting is auto-recorded, so you can save the meeting to your computer. That's all guys. Hopefully that all of you can use this application for your blended learning class. See you again. Bye-bye.